Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
And we are back, mga puso. You're still watching GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Istorya sa likod sang pagtukod sa kapuso female singing group nga XOXO, hibalon ta sa ila chika kay kapuso Kate Revilla sa Besta. Kate, good morning!
Thanks, Adrian. Sa mga aga mga kapuso, sigurado nga mapuno sang good vibes through good music tungod makaupod ta ang new generation of divas. Aton kilalahon Sanday Riel, Danny, Lyra, and Mel, collectively known as XOXO. Good morning, ladies, and welcome to GMA Regional TV
Hello,
Early Edition.
Good morning. Ayong aga. Thank you for having us po.
Yes, maayong aga sa inyo. We are so glad to see all of you here. Ang saya dahil apat talaga na performers ang aming kasama this morning. How are you guys doing? Let's start with you, Riel.
Ako po, this morning, I feel so blessed and happy to be here on your show po. And yun lang, thankful lang po ako na you got us for our show. And yes, I hope you have a great day, each and everybody. Thank you so much.
How about you, Danny?
Ako naman po, super grateful because today is a new day and new day na lumaban, di ba?
Yes.
And thankful po na thankful na in-invite nyo kami dito sa show nyo ngayon.
And Lyra?
Super happy and grateful to be on this show po. Thank you for inviting us, XOXO po.
And lastly, Mel?
And good morning po sa inyong lahat. And thankful po kami dahil nag-guest po kami dito ngayon na hindi po namin akalain na hanggang dito sa Iloilo ay mapapakita po namin yung kung sino po kami ngayon. Thank you so much po.
And Riel, after a year na launch kayo, kamusta ang experience ninyo so far as a group?
Actually po, it has been such a roller coaster ride, such a journey for all of us as a group. Kasi nung una actually, smooth sailing pa yun before the pandemic. Everything was going okay, everything was going well. Tapos biglang nagka-pandemic, everything, parang lahat ng pinaghirapan namin, parang lahat ng handaan namin, na-put into hold, parang na-postpone muna siya. Lalo na po yung pag-release ng aming first ever single. And naghanap kami ng mga paraan para, makita pa rin kami sa social media ng mga supporters namin.
Mel, can you tell us more about your self-titled debut single? What is the song all about?
Yung lyrics din po niya is nire-represent din po niya yung mga characteristics po namin ng bawat isa. And yung advocacy po ng song namin is women empowerment, body positivity, mag-gain po sila ng kanilang self-confidence. Yun po.
Talagang curious ako na malaman ang song ninyo. So can you sing few lines from the song para sa ating mga kapuso dito sa Western Visayas?
Sige po.
We got this beat, we're gonna show you what's real. We're gonna be free, come on and spread those wings.
We gotta speak, we got our voice for them to hear. Girl, you're not weak, you gotta stand up and believe.
It's about time we let the world know.
We got what it takes, so let them show.
Yes! PRXO! Ayan po.
Ang
Pakinggan
ganda
na lang po
talaga
nila
ng
yan.
boses ninyo. Pang-international talaga na level. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Salamat po.
And this time, please thank and invite everyone to support your single. At ano pa bang dapat naming abangan ng mga kapuso natin, especially dito sa Western Visayas, and also invite them to all your social media accounts.
Stream our song XOXO on Spotify, YouTube Music, and Apple Music. And abangan nyo po soon ang aming music video. Sana po supportaan nyo po kami sa aming music video. So ayun po, social media accounts, take it away, Muriel.
Alright.
And please follow us on our social media accounts sa Twitter, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, XOXO_GMA po. And sa individual accounts din po namin, XOXO_GMA_ yung names po namin. So kung kay Lyra, Danny, Mel, and Riel po. Yes.
Maraming salamat for your time,
Looking
guys.
forward.
Salamat.
Thank you!
Baby, thank you so much.
Dira lang ka mga kapuso, madamo pa sang dapat ninyong atutukan sa pagbalik sang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.